til Maker Festival, og Maker Festival er noget ret nyt i Danmark. I USA er det jo kæmpestort, der holder de jo Maker Fairs for sådan 100-200.000 mennesker, det gør de også i Rom. I Danmark er det noget relativt nyt. Jeg tror, den første Maker Fair blev holdt for 3-4 år siden. Det er en fejring af at være kreativ, af at skabe, af at gøre det selv. Og også for alle de mennesker, der står og har værkstederne, har workshopsene, har showcasene med, at de har en mulighed for at møde hinanden, og det også bliver sådan et sted, hvor de kan mødes. Fordi i bund og grund, så handler det bare om at have det sjovt, og fejre det, og være kreativ, og fejre det at kunne være kreativ med sine hænder, og med sit hoved, og med de maskiner, der nu er i spil.
I'm here for, well, the main reason is that I'm giving a talk. And the second reason is I am a curious person, and walking around talking to people like flexible solar cells, they're way further than I thought.
I'm here to display a project. So we make a brain stimulator, which now is out. Someone is trying it right now, but it's a product that can stimulate the brain. And I'm here to display that. So I've been on stage and talking about it, and now I give people test runs. So if anyone wants to have their brain stimulated, they can come to my stand. I'm basically here because with our startup we have been so dependent on the maker culture in Copenhagen, so we wouldn't have been anywhere close to where we are now if it wasn't for all the people and all the whole culture around it.
My name is Christian Toms and I work for Bang Olufsen Create. Reason why we're standing here today is that we're showcasing our project Recreate. A big part for us at Create is actually nurturing a community of people who love to play with sound. And if we're only sitting in our offices either in Lyngby or Struer, we're surrounded by the same kind of people with the same mentality. And being that we would like to think things a little bit differently, and we really aim to be inspired by the creative community that exists out there. We're really excited to be here. We're really happy to talk to makers and DIY people, and so we get feedback and comments on this project.
Vi ved jo her på Copenhagen Maker, der kommer så mange forskellige mennesker, som kreerer, designer. Skal man til at arbejde i et segment, som vi kalder interior decorating, så vi vil gerne have, at et rum udtrykker noget mere. Og der har vi brug for en lidt anden dimension i det her med at udvikle de ting. Og der har vi brug for designerne. Og der er et sted, der kommer designer, så er det jo her. I de her dage har vi allerede haft en masse gode snak med folk, som arbejder med det her på det ene eller det andet niveau.
Events like this, in general, are for curious people. And curious people meeting up, talking, exchanging ideas, learning new things. What is possible? What can you build? What can you do?